Good morning, everybody. It's in the afternoon, too. Jynxie, I'll be right back for you, okay? Please don't cry. She starts to cry when she thinks you forgot about her. When I'm basically just doing a perimeter check to make sure there's no cats outside. And supposedly only one cat is outside. Supposedly. Which is Garfield. But I don't see a cat. So I'm thinking it's safe to say that she can go out. I mean, it doesn't look like it's been tampered with. Yeah, that's where they actually go out now. They climb up all the stuff to get to that broken window right there. I can check the garage. Oh, there he is. Hi. Can you get off the truck? Hi, baby. But anyway, so yeah, I made a list of things to do today. So, my sister wants me to go ahead and go to work today, but you know what? We're going to see for what I have to do. After all, it's still my day off. Okay, come on, baby. Come on. Hi. Well, she tried to help out. So what I basically did is, I let her go back here so we could have like an advantage. So she knows her routine. She'll always come back here first. So I locked that gate like it's normal, but I didn't take her leash off. Had her walk all the way over here. And then we did like if Jynxie was part of the police unit, the police canine unit. It was fun. I do believe he's still underneath the truck though, so at least we tried. I let her out of the gate and see if she could like corral him up front. So I mean, she would be a good working dog, you know. If she was a working dog, she would be a good canine dog for like the police and everything. I mean, shush. But we're going to probably train her to be a medical alert dog, because she does alert when my sister has high blood sugars, so that's not a norm for her. So she might be one of those. But anyway, so yeah, I wrote down on my to-do list. It's a really short to-do list. Just finishing up the laundry, washing my shoes. I'm gonna wash dishes. And then, I think I have something else that I wanted to do today. And then I also wrote down my grocery list. And I'm using my big notebook paper that I got. So I used that instead. So, yep. Man, it's a beautiful day. And then, if I'm up to it, I'll probably go work today.